stood here talking to Clem from Hartlepool Misfits. Once again, we all want to say thank you. Clem, how many bikers have come with you today, please?
About 30.
Excellent. They've all come on their own bikes, or is it twos, or?
No, they're on their own bikes.
All on their own bikes, excellent.
Bikes and trikes.
And we want to ask why you keep coming back to support us. Obviously we love it, but what's the reason for it?
Well, we know you need the help for the charity side of it, and are you self-funded in it?
Yeah, it is all charity, yeah. Are we the only animal charity then that you do this sort of thing for?
You certainly are.
Excellent. And are there any other charities that you do this type of charity run for?
Not for the pets. Catcoat Road Special School, we do that's our main fundraiser for Catcoat Road Special School. We raise them a few £1,000 every year.
Fantastic. And has anything strange happened with your collection this year? Any odd things you want to tell us about?
Barrett's Garden Centre, I don't know what the new name is, but Barrett's Garden
Centre.
Oh,
Wyvale, yeah.
They've did a good donation for us.
Excellent. And I noticed there was a strange suitcase. Whose suitcase? Who's not going on holiday?
A lass called Valdia. She donated that herself because she loves pets.
Excellent.
She loves any type of pets. Yeah. And she donated all that.
That's great. Thank you very much, Clem.
No problem at all, thank you.